The barndominium has exploded from a rural secret into a full-blown design movement. Walk through any social media feed, and there they are. Soaring ceilings, streams of natural light, industrial bones softened by warm wood and stone. The look screams custom money. But here's the quiet truth that separates dreamers from builders. That luxury aesthetic does not have to cost a fortune. The trick lies in knowing exactly where to spend with intention and where to save with clever substitutes that no guest will ever spot. Today I'm giving you 10 specific finishing tricks that consistently make alternative homes, barndominiums, Quonset huts, culvert homes, earth-sheltered builds, and any non-standard structure look genuinely high-end at a fraction of what most people assume they cost. Stay until the end, because trick number 10 is the one that costs almost nothing and has the largest single visual impact of anything on this list. Welcome home to Homes and Haven. This community was built for people who care deeply about their homes and just as deeply about their budgets. And we believe you should never have to choose between the two. We show up every week with honest, practical guidance that respects both. Subscribe right now and become part of this family, because every video we make was made specifically for you. Let's get into all 10. Flooring sets the entire tone of an interior. Many assume luxury means wide plank white oak or hand-scraped hickory. Those materials run $30 to $50 per square foot installed. In a 2,000 square foot barndominium, that's $40,000 to $100,000 before a single cabinet goes in. Enter luxury vinyl plank flooring. The good stuff, 12 mils or thicker, rigid core, with a realistic embossed grain, looks disturbingly like real wood. Run it continuously through the main living areas without transition strips. That uninterrupted flow mimics the way high-end modern farms handle their floors. Stick to matte finishes in shades like natural oak, weathered gray, or warm taupe. Luxury vinyl plank is affordable, waterproof, and available in wood look or stone look styles. Perfect for high-traffic areas and moisture-prone spaces like kitchens or mudrooms. The specific spec that makes the difference: 12 mil or layer minimum, rigid core, not the flexible vinyl. Rigid core handles minor subfloor imperfections, doesn't telegraph every bump, and installs flat over the polished concrete slab that most alternative home builds use as a base. Cost: $3 to $5 per square foot installed DIY, or $4 to $7 installed by a flooring contractor. On a 2,000 square foot floor, you're spending $6,000 to $14,000 instead of $60,000 to $100,000 for genuine hardwood. Nobody walking through your door will know the difference. If you're already pouring a slab for your alternative home, you are sitting on top of one of the most cost-effective luxury finishes available anywhere. Polished concrete. If you're already pouring a slab for your barndominium kit, consider polishing and staining the concrete for a modern, industrial look. This approach saves thousands on flooring materials. Polished concrete is the most cost-effective at $2 to $5 per square foot for finishing an existing slab. A warm earth-toned acid stain on a polished concrete slab creates a finish that architects charge premium prices to specify. It photographs beautifully, reflects light to make spaces feel larger, and requires nothing but occasional mopping to maintain. The honest caveat: concrete is hard on feet and cold without radiant heat underneath it. Use polished concrete in the main living and kitchen areas where the aesthetic pays off most. And consider LVP in bedrooms where underfoot comfort matters more than the look. If I want a barndominium to look high and fast, I go big on windows. Oversized black-framed windows change the whole vibe in one move. They feel modern, clean, and intentional without costing luxury home money. This is one of the highest return visual investments you can make in an alternative home. And here's why it works so specifically in metal building construction. A black window frame against a white or light color interior wall creates a strong graphic line that reads as intentional architectural detail. In a conventional home surrounded by trim, encasing, and crown molding, a black window is one element among many. In the clean interior of a Quonset hut, a barndominium, or an earth-sheltered home where the walls are simpler and the space is more open, black-framed windows become the primary visual feature of the room. The budget move here: standard aluminum-framed windows with a factory black finish cost approximately $400 to $1,200 each, depending on size. True architectural steel window systems run $3,000 to $8,000 per window. The aluminum black frame option delivers 90% of the aesthetic at 20% of the price. Install them larger than you think you need and resist the urge to fill the frame with divided lights. Clean, black, large, and simple. Prefab or stock cabinets. Swap custom cabinets for stock kitchen and bathroom cabinets and add your own upgraded hardware. This trick has a specific mechanism that most people don't understand. The hardware on a cabinet is what the hand touches and the eye follows. When a kitchen visitor runs their fingers across a cabinet pull, what they feel is the weight and finish of the hardware, not the cabinet box behind it. A stock cabinet with $15 to $30 per piece matte black or brushed brass hardware from a quality hardware supplier looks and feels more premium than a semi-custom cabinet with $3 builder-grade hardware every single time. The specific execution: choose flat front or simple shaker front stock cabinets in a solid color. Avoid the ornate routed profile cabinet doors that read as dated regardless of their price point. Install the stock boxes correctly with consistent reveal and level fronts. Then invest in substantial, quality pulls and knobs. The budget for the hardware upgrade on a full kitchen runs $400 to $1,200. The visual difference against custom cabinetry at $30,000 plus is essentially invisible to anyone who isn't a cabinet installer. Board and batten siding adds a refined farmhouse aesthetic that's clean, vertical, and eye-catching. Traditionally made from wood, this style has a rustic yet upscale look. One board and batten accent wall in the great room or primary bedroom costs $200 to $600 in materials, including the 1x4 or 1x6 boards, the batten strips, primer, and paint. Installed by an owner-builder over a weekend, it creates a feature wall that interior designers specify in high-end farmhouse and transitional interiors at significantly higher cost. The specific trick that makes board and batten look expensive rather than cheap. Paint the board, the battens, and the wall behind them all the same color. A monochromatic board and batten wall in deep charcoal, warm grayish, or soft white reads as architectural detail rather than applied decoration. The moment you choose a contrasting color for the boards versus the wall, it reads as DIY wallpaper rather than built architecture. One color. Full wall. Done. Natural stone says custom luxury like nothing else. It's rich in texture and adds depth and prestige to any building. Stone veneer panels are manufactured from lightweight materials and molded to look like stacked stone. These cost a fraction of real stone and are easy to install even as a DIY project. Use stone veneer as a wainscot around the base of your barn door or as accents around entrances and columns. The application of stone veneer is the key to whether this reads as luxury or as budget decorating. Applied across the entire exterior of a building, it can look overwhelming and artificial. Applied as a wainscot at the base of the entry columns, around the base of an outdoor fireplace, or as a feature wall behind the kitchen range, stone veneer creates the textural richness that distinguishes high-end residential architecture. Current 2026 pricing. Lightweight manufactured stone veneer panels run $7 to $15 per square foot for materials, versus $35 to $75 per square foot for genuine cut stone. An entry column treatment using stone veneer as a wainscot runs $300 to $600 in materials for a dramatic result that looks like it costs several $1,000s. Everyone has seen shiplap walls. They're everywhere in alternative home content, and at this point in 2026, they read as expected rather than distinctive. But shiplap on the ceiling, particularly on a high-pitched or curved ceiling in a barndominium, Quonset, or earth-sheltered home, is a move that still consistently surprises people in photographs extraordinarily well. If you have leftover roofing material, use it to create striking ceiling treatments. The metallic finish reflects light and adds industrial character. Install over existing drywall for an instant style boost. The ridged texture adds visual interest, while the reflective surface brightens rooms naturally. For a wood shiplap ceiling treatment specifically, the budget-smart version uses standard 1x6 pine boards, pre-primed, installed with a consistent reveal between boards. Painted in crisp white or a warm off-white. A shiplap ceiling in the great room transforms the space from an interior that could be any building into one that looks like a carefully designed residential custom home. Material cost for a 400 square foot ceiling section: $600 to $1,400. Visual impact: extraordinary and disproportionate to the cost. Tech-forward homes feel instantly more luxurious. These elements can be added strategically to key spaces like entryways or living areas without requiring full-scale custom builds. Lighting is where the budget is most often misspent in alternative home finishing. Owners buy adequate, functional fixtures everywhere, and the result is a home that's perfectly lit but visually flat. The move that makes the biggest difference is not spending more on lighting across the board. It's concentrating the fixture budget into 3 specific zones: the entry or foyer, where the first impression is formed; the kitchen island, where pendants hang at eye level and the most photographed spot in the home; and the dining area, where a statement chandelier or cluster pendant anchors the family gathering space. In those 3 zones, spend $300 to $800 per fixture. Everywhere else, use the most affordable, code-compliant, recessed lighting available. The concentration of visual quality in the places that matter most, combined with the visual simplicity of flush recessed lighting everywhere else, creates a hierarchy of intentionality that reads as luxury. A home where every fixture is $80 looks cheap. A home where 3 fixtures are $500 and everything else is simple looks designed. Lime wash paint creates a soft, mottled, age plaster effect that looks like an interior finish that costs thousands of dollars per wall to achieve with genuine Venetian plaster or authentic lime plaster techniques. The DIY lime wash paint versions available from major paint manufacturers in 2026 deliver a remarkable approximation of that finish at approximately $50 to $80 for enough product to cover a large feature wall. One of the most effective and budget-friendly ways to transform the look of your barndominium is by updating the walls. Techniques such as faux painting, stenciling, or even a shiplap accent wall can add character and warmth to your space without breaking the bank. The specific technique that makes lime wash read as expensive, apply it in 3 thin layers with a wide, dry brush, allowing each layer to partially dry before adding the next. Vary the pressure and direction of the brush strokes between layers. The variation in coverage is what creates the authentic layered depth that distinguishes lime wash from flat paint. Apply it to one wall only in the primary bedroom or living room, the one that faces the entry or the view, and leave the rest of the room in a simple flat paint. The contrast makes the lime wash wall the focal point of the room. This is the trick that costs almost nothing and has the single largest visual impact of everything on this list. Run luxury vinyl plank continuously through the main living areas without transition strips. That uninterrupted flow mimics the way high-end modern farms handle their floors. Transition strips, the metal or plastic joining pieces that connect 2 different flooring materials or cover the gap between rooms, are one of the most reliable signals that a home was finished on a budget. High-end residential construction uses the same flooring material throughout the main living areas, running it continuously through every doorway and room transition without interruption. The eye follows the floor across the entire open plan as a single surface, which makes the space feel larger, more intentional, and more unified. The practical execution: choose your LVP or polished concrete finish before the walls go up. Specify that it runs throughout the entire main floor, including hallways and open bedroom doorways, and plan the room layout to ensure the boards run in a single direction throughout the plan. The cost difference between a transition strip approach and a continuous approach is approximately 0 in materials and adds 1 conversation with your floor contractor. The visual difference is significant and immediately noticed by anyone who has spent time in genuinely high-end residential interiors. Finish smart. Polished concrete or LVP flooring plus vaulted ceilings and barn doors only where sound privacy isn't critical. The barndominium has exploded from a rural secret into a full-blown design movement. Its beauty comes from the tension between rough and refined. Spend money on comfort and function. Save money on flash. These 10 tricks share a common principle. The barndominium and alternative home structure itself comes with built-in architectural advantages that most traditional homes have to pay extra for: vaulted ceilings, open plans, exposed structural elements, and industrial bones. Your job in the finish phase is not to compete with custom construction dollar for dollar. It's to layer a small number of high-impact, carefully chosen finishes over that structural advantage, and to resist the temptation to fill every surface with detail. The Barndominium does not need to pretend to be a traditional home. Its beauty comes from the tension between rough and refined. Spend money on comfort and function. Save money on flash. Don't ignore resale appeal. Neutral wall colors and large surfaces give Barndominium resale value. Personality belongs in throw pillows, art, and plants, things that leave with you when a house sells. Extreme design choices on permanent finishes narrow the buyer pool. The 10 tricks in this video add up to a complete interior finishing strategy that delivers a genuinely high-end result at a fraction of luxury construction costs. Continuous LVP or polished concrete. Black framed windows. One board and batten wall. Stone veneer at the entry. A shiplap ceiling treatment. Upgraded hardware on stock cabinets. 3 statement lighting zones. 1 lime wash feature wall. And a single flooring material running uninterrupted throughout. That is the Homes and Haven finish formula for alternative homes in 2026. Those are the 10 cheap finishing tricks that make alternative homes look genuinely luxury in 2026, with honest cost ranges for every single one and the specific execution details that separate the tricks that work from the ones that look exactly like what they are. You've been watching Homes and Haven, and what you just finished watching is exactly what this community is built for. Practical, honest guidance that respects your vision and your budget simultaneously. If you're not subscribed yet, please do it right now. Every video we publish is made with people like you in mind, and we never want you to miss one. A like helps more owner builders and alternative home enthusiasts find this content, and it takes 1 second. Drop a comment and tell us, which of these 10 tricks are you planning to use, and which one surprised you most? We read every single comment. This has been Homes and Haven. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.